guys, for this how-to video, I'm going to show you how to do a pillowcase. And she has different ones on her site, so if you go to the link in the description box below, you will find her blog post, and she does 3 different kinds. She's very detailed in her explanations or her instructions on how to do it, so check them out. She also has a tricolor cuff, a same color cuff, and then the one I'm doing, which is a basic pillowcase. She also has, for each pillowcase, she has 3 different sizes, a standard, queen, and king. The one that I am doing is just a standard one, so you will be cutting your fabric 41 inches wide by 31 inches tall. Next, you are going to take your fabric, and on the 41 inch side, you're going to bring it down about 1/4 of an inch and iron that down flat. Then you're going to bring it down 4 inches and iron that flat. This is what the cuff is going to be on the pillowcase. Once that's ironed, you're going to sew that mark at the 4 inches and seal it up. Now this next clip I somehow lost, so I drew a picture. Hopefully you still get the explanation of it. But the first picture is what we just did. We sewed along that line, and then we're going to fold it over in half, and that's the second picture. And you're going to sew along the edges that I have marked there in red. Now you're going to cut off your corners and cut off your extra fabric that will stop it from being so bulky inside. Then you're going to turn it inside out, push out your corners, and flatten your edges with the iron. Alright, now you're going to sew the same edges that you just sewn, but on the other side. And I tried to make most of the bulk on the other side of my stitches so that you wouldn't quite see that on the front of the pillowcase. So as you're going along, just kind of feel where that is. Once you're done sewing that, turn it right side out and iron that flat. Here's your pillowcase. This is what the inside of the pillowcase looks like, how it has a, perfect kind of seam. There's no fraying or anything on the inside. And then the pillow that I use is very thin. It goes in my daughter's crib, so it's a thin pillow, and if you had, if you had a thicker pillow inside, it would still fill it out. This one is a win because it turned out to be a pillowcase in the end, and it looks pretty cute. So there you go. My daughter approves of it. She loves it. And of course the kitty loves it as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching this winner fail. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye bye.